So here's a situation when I would measure across, I was getting 120 to one leg, but I was only getting like 59 volts to another leg, and it was due to the resistance in the 220 breaker that was there. When I would shoot back over here, whoever put this one in, I was doing the same thing, coming back over here, and I was only getting like between hot leg and hot leg, instead of 240, I was getting 49 or 59 volts between two legs. But yet the equipment was running, because this equipment was on inverters, and it could run off 120 or 240, and it fell in the range I could still operate. They never even knew they were one legging it all this time, like the ground there. And yep, so getting a new breaker there, that'll take care of that problem.